Hi guys, we are going to do a quick little video on some of the comments that I'm getting on my channel. I think I just turned my computer off. Alright, we're going to start with the latest, alright? Okay, and I have to tell you, my most watched at this point is the garlic and olive oil sauteed green beans. They're phenomenal. If you've not made those, you need to find that on my channel here and make it. It's got like so many views. But my last one was, this is by somebody called Sup Mofo. I guess the name just says it all there. It says, I bet the whole trailer park smelled like burnt garlic. Well, I don't even know what to say about that. But I did respond, and it wasn't very nice either. So I'm not gonna tell you what. You're just gonna have to go watch the video and look at the comments and see what I responded to. I don't get a lot of bad comments. I mean, it's very rare that I get a bad comment. I mean, anybody who makes my recipes know that they're absolutely amazing and phenomenal, and I just get praised and praised and praised over them. You know, I'm not patting myself on the back. Yes, I am, but I'm a damn good cook. So if you haven't subscribed, you better subscribe. You better subscribe. Holly G, on point per usual. Yum. And that was for my crispy popcorn chicken. So thank you, Holly G. Oh, and then I have one who went on to go, she went ape shit over the fact that I used some bacon grease in my macaroni and tomatoes. I have to laugh at this one because it's just, I'm going to read this to you. I am a vegan and I am not going to use bacon grease, exclamation point. I have never known another soul who makes macaroni and tomato that puts bacon grease in it. It is never a required ingredient. And then she goes on to talk about how her grandmother used butter, and she uses vegan butter, and it's delightful, she says. But she also goes on to say, we weren't allowed to have it at home more than once a year because macaroni, according to my mother, was fattening. Look at this, girls, guys. Yes, macaroni is fattening, but so is everything you put in your damn mouth, so get a life. But anyway, I love macaroni and tomatoes. If you have not watched, excuse me, that video, you better watch it. That's some good eating. That's some good comfort, southern comfort eating. It is absolutely phenomenal. And yes, you have to use the bacon grease because it adds an extra yumminess to it. So it's delicious. My channel is not in the healthy kitchen with Sandy. It's in the kitchen with Sandy, and I'm telling you what, I like to throw down in here. Stormy Davis on my pan-seared Atlantic salmon, and I believe that is asparagus. She says, loved this. Thank you, Sandy. Oh, you're so welcome. You're so welcome. Let's go on to a couple more. All right. Okay, by Andrew Theophil, whatever your name is. It's not even worthy of coming out of my mouth. Let me tell you what he said. This is on my garlic and olive oil sauteed green beans. All you have to do is type that in, and mine's the first one to pop up, so boom, thank you. But he says, that looks horrific. Garlic burns if you add it to such a hot pan. It should be put in later on towards the end. Its flavoring being so prominent. There's no reason to flavor the oil, as its potency will flavor everything. By the way, those beans are raw. All right. Bye-bye, Andrew. These are absolutely amazing. All right, this one. This one's just absolutely disgusting. By Jerry Moustache, whatever. He says on my, this is on my Feeling Sassy and my dollar store dress, because see, I've started vlogging more, so I was really proud of that, and I did look awful damn cute. I found you from the fry bean video and clicked on your channel. I'm 24/M/SWE, whatever the hell that means. And I want you to sit on my face. Can we make this happen? Well, Mr. Jerry Moustache, I'm not really sure that that's going to happen, but hey, dream on. All right, let's see. Kisu, I am sorry if I'm mispronouncing that. It's Kiisoo Blue. Your voice just puts me at peace. You seem to be such a nice person. I could watch you cook all day. I followed your recipe and they were amazing. Thank you. That is so sweet. I just love, oh, I just love when people are just kind, because, you know, that's what you should be. You should be kind. You shouldn't be nasty, and, you know, you shouldn't be nasty to people. And that was my garlic and olive oil, sauteed green beans. I also have a recipe for my creamy egg salad. I was really surprised that this took off the way that it did. It's got so many views on it, but somebody put on there, doesn't anyone use pickle relish anymore? I have never used pickle relish in my egg salad. Yes, I've never used that. I'm just, I can't even stand the thought of using pickle relish in that, because it changes it. It's not really egg salad anymore. Go to that recipe. You need to make that, because it is absolutely delicious. Delicious. You know, some of the comments are about the camera person, whatever. And I'm telling you what, right now I'm filming my own videos. My daughter used to film them at the time she started out. She was like 12 or 13 when we started this channel. And I thought she'd done an amazing job for just starting. They're like, oh, the camera's moving too much or what have you. But, you know, there's nothing professional about this. I am no professional chef. I am a home-taught chef who just happens to know what she's doing in the kitchen. And I just wanted to share my recipes with you guys. So there's nothing professional about it. You know, I just do the best that I can to get some of the most amazing recipes to you guys. Looks relish. That's my cream cheese stuffed mushrooms. Oh, I can hear the sizzle of my chicken in the oven right now. There was one that I really wanted to get to, because I felt so bad because I didn't get to see it till like months later, till after this guy comments on my let's see if I can find it. All right. Oh. Anyway, he just goes on and on and on about how him and his wife was looking for the perfect Alfredo sauce, because this is I made the shrimp Alfredo with noodles or whatever. You'll have to look that up. But he said they tried it and he said it is absolutely 5-star quality. And he just went on and on and on and on and on about it. And it just, oh my goodness, it just made me so, so happy. Especially because he told me that I look like a woman down the street, you know, as he grew up as a child, and they knew a friend of his that when they went there, they always got some amazing food. So he had to try it, and you know, that just melted my heart, because just telling me that I look like the type of person that just really can make some bomb stuff. So that, thank you so much. Namaya Abram, I love your channel. Oh, thank you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Just found your channel and subbed after seeing this video, which was my pan-seared steaks. Can't wait to see more. Thank you so much, Catherine. But I have so many wonderful comments on here. You guys are absolutely amazing. The majority of you are. Some of you can just, you know, go somewhere else and learn to cook, babies. Go somewhere else. My spicy Asian chicken fingers, superb. Have a nice day. Stay connected always. Thank you so much, Tasty Twist. There's just too many, too many. Oh, my chicken buffalo deviled eggs, those were really good. Can't wait to make these for my family. Thank you for sharing. And then Crystal Smith says, girl, can we be best friends? You are my kind of cook. We can. We're already best friends. Then somebody says, on my creamy tomato pasta, you talk too much. Yeah, I do. I think I talk a lot now. Get a couple beers down me. You can't shut me up. This one's on my egg salad one. This is from Nick Brimner. This lady reminds me so much on how my grandma cooks. Always good. And you always want to go to grandma's house to eat. You're right. It's amazing. And thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. But anyway, I think I'm running out of space on my camera. And I still have to finish this chicken video. So I hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up. And remember, my new channel is coming soon. And you know I love you guys so very much. And I will see you next time. Bye. Kisses.